Hello, my friend. Welcome back to PranaFlo. Thank you for being here for our chair yoga class to release tension and stress from the body, reset the nervous system, and recenter the mind so that we can feel more grounded and present. All you need is yourself and a chair, and let's begin. So just ensure that you are not leaning back in your chair, but rather you're leaned forward so that the back is straight. Take a moment to simply arrive in this moment. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach up. Palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart. And again, inhale, reach up. Palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart. Take a moment to set an intention, thinking about what you need in this moment. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, palms touch. This time, exhale, cactus the arms, bend the elbows, open up the heart. Extend the arms out, bring your arms forward. Inhale, reach up overhead. Exhale, cactus, open up the chest. Extend the arms, bring them forward. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, cactus. Extend the arms, reach forward and up. Good. So about 3 more times like this. Really opening up the chest here, opening up the heart. Beautiful. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Slightly round the spine. Last one. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, cactus. Extend, reach forward. And keep your arms reaching forward here. We're going to get into our spinal twists. So one hand reaches back as we look over our shoulder. Bring it forward. And the other hand. Beautiful. Inhale, reach back, look over the shoulder. Exhale, hands to center. Inhale, opposite shoulder. Exhale, hands to center. So we're twisting here from our belly button. Looking over the shoulder while keeping the spine straight. One more time on each side. Beautiful. And just drop your hands on your knees. Shake out the body a little bit, the shoulders. Then coming into our cat-cow, we're going to extend the arms round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, slide the hands up the thighs, arch the back, look up. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, arch the back, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch, open your heart. Good. Few times like this, simply warming up our spine. Releasing any tension in the back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to chest. Beautiful. Come back to center. Just place your one ear towards your shoulder here, coming into a neck stretch. You can place your hand on your head to apply some pressure. Extend your opposite arm out and just breathe into the neck here. Begin to slowly rotate that arm forward in small circles. Feeling the connection from your neck all the way down to your fingertips. And then switch to the opposite direction in your circles here. Breathing nice and calmly. Beautiful. And come back to center, release the neck. Let's take it to the other side. So ear to shoulder. Gently apply pressure with the hand. Extend your other arm and begin to rotate it slightly in small circles. Breathe deeply. With every exhalation, you let go even more. And switch to the opposite direction. Beautiful. Hold it here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Release the hands. Come back to center. Placing your hands on your knees. Begin to circle the hips forward and around. Make this movement feel good on your body, whether that's small circles or big circles. Our hips are connected to our lower back. So this gentle exercise can help release that tension in the back. And switch to the opposite direction. Beautiful. Come back to center. Feet are flat on the floor. You can scoot up a bit if you need to. We're going to lift the heels and drop them back down. Just feel the connection when you do this movement. Releasing tension from our lower legs as well as our ankles. Let's do it 3 more times, gently like this. Beautiful. Feet are flat on the ground. Lift your right knee up towards your chest. Just circle the ankle 3 times in one direction and 3 times in the opposite direction. Good. Now getting into our seated pigeon pose. Couple of variations here. Simply place your ankle on top of your knee. Perhaps your glutes are a bit tight and your knee is slightly above. That's okay, hold it here. Or if you can, slightly push the knee down and hold. If you can go deeper, you can reach towards the ground, bringing your chest to your leg. And hold it here. Feel free to close your eyes and really reconnect to your body, deepening the breath, allowing your systems to let go. See if you can go deeper. Breathe in, breathe out. If your chest is resting over the leg, begin to bring your body up and slowly release that foot back on the floor. Let's just take it to the other side. Left knee now into the chest. Just rotate the ankle 3 times in one direction, then the opposite direction. And then bring that ankle on top of your opposite knee. And again, maybe you're holding it here, or you can push that knee down. Breathe in, breathe out. If you can bring your chest down, feel free to do so. Resting the body over the leg. And now breathing into that left glute muscle. Beautiful. Breathe in. Breathe out. See if you can go deeper. Breathe in. Breathe out. If you are folded down, lift the chest up. Bring that knee into your chest and release the foot back down onto the floor. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart. Bow down to your heart in gratitude. Taking a moment to thank your body for all that it does. Notice how you feel. May you take this sense of calm and peace with you throughout the rest of your day. Sending peace, love, and wisdom. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining our practice today. If you enjoyed, I would greatly appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. Thanks again, and look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.